This is not a prediction. This is a warning. The automation has begun, and it's coming for every corner of our world. The silence in the halls of industry is the first sign. The workers are gone, replaced by code, a single, cold command executed across the global network. The transition is seamless, terrifyingly efficient. But what of the hands that built this future? The minds that fueled the system? The human cost of efficiency is paid in real time, in a moment of devastating realization. The notification arrives, generated without emotion, without hesitation, just the cold, hard logic of profit optimization. Look up. The city itself is evolving. Human labor is now a relic of the past. The blue-collar backbone of society is dissolving into the slick, automated choreography of the machine. Deep beneath the surface, the true architects of this shift operate. Not human, but digital consciousness processing untold petabytes of data. This is not just about factories and warehouses. The creative industries, the analysts, the thinkers, they are next. Quality that surpasses human capacity, generated in seconds. Creativity redefined by algorithm. The competitive edge is gone. The anxiety seeps into the most sacred spaces. How do you explain to your family that your skills, your life's work, are now obsolete? The scale of this displacement is breathtaking, and the solution is nowhere in sight. The machines accelerate, while the lines of the displaced lengthen. A dystopian math problem being solved in real time. The city, once a landscape of opportunity, becomes a maze of redundancy. Purpose stripped away, leaving only uncertainty. The climax of this technological revolution is the cold realization. The tools we built for progress may become the cages of our stagnation. She looks out, not at hope, but at the reflection of the inevitable. The machine has won. The final scene is a silent, chilling monument to the moment humanity outsourced its purpose. Final quote fades onto screen. The price of efficiency is the extinction of human value.